Looking for a dependable toner cartridge that keeps your Brother printer running smoothly? The TN760 toner cartridge offers high-yield black ink designed to deliver sharp, consistent prints every time. If you print often, this cartridge promises both quality and longevity that won't slow you down. I've used the TN760 in several Brother models like the MFCL2750DW and HLL2350DW, and it never disappointed. Each cartridge prints up to 3,300 pages at 5% coverage, which means fewer replacements and less downtime. Whether you're handling office documents or school projects, the print clarity stays crisp from the first page to the last. What stands out is the ISO 9001 and ISO 14001 certification, which guarantees reliable performance and environmental responsibility. This isn't just a random replacement cartridge, it's a tested solution that ensures your printer works efficiently while maintaining excellent quality standards. The package comes with 2 TN 760 cartridges, so you're set for extended use without frequent purchases. It's a smart choice for businesses, schools, or anyone who relies on their printer daily. The cartridge fits a wide range of Brother printers, including the HLL 2370DW-XL and MFCL 2730DW, making it versatile for many setups. Switching to this TN760 toner means you get more than just ink. You gain consistent print speeds that keep your workflow moving. No more worrying about fading text or smudges. It's designed to handle heavy printing demands while preserving your printer's health. If you want a hassle-free replacement that balances cost and quality, this 2-pack is worth a look. It's easy to install, performs reliably, and keeps your documents looking professional. Plus, buying in pairs gives you peace of mind knowing you won't run out of toner unexpectedly. Ready to upgrade your printing experience? The TN760 toner cartridge delivers the dependable, high-yield performance that busy users need. Try it when you're ready to see the difference in print quality and efficiency for yourself.